What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage man, back in another video. Today we're going to be doing a review and on feed over the Air Jordan 12 Game Royals. But before we get into the video right now, what I need you guys to do is subscribe to the channel, ring the notification bell for your boy, and like the video, man. And go for every video is 200 likes. So help me out, bless your boy by liking the video, man. Also, follow me over on Instagram at DeVintage World. The link will always be in the description box below. Go click the link in the description and go give me a follow over there on IG, man. So all that being said, let's jump right into these Air Jordan 12s, man. Let's get it. So here you have it. I picked up another pair of Air Jordan 12s. I got these from Foot Locker House of Hoops out here. I wanted to get them from the PX, of course, to get them for like 140, 150 bucks. But I had to resort to Foot Locker because I took an L at the PX, man. I woke up too late. I was tired. I was up to like 2, 3 o'clock last night. So I was like, I got a secure pair already. So let me just go ahead, spend, I guess, an extra 20 bucks and pick up these 12s because, I don't know, I really like them. I had to get them in the collection. 12s are one of my favorite silhouettes, but I don't have that many 12s, to be honest. Like, I maybe have like 4 pair of 12s. I gave my brother like 3 pair of my 12s. Sold 1 pair of my 12s, and I don't know, I gotta re-up my 12 game, you feel me? But let's get right into the shoe, man. Let's get it. So here you have it. Of course, you got that OG box, man. The flu games came in this box, as well as what other 12s came in this box? A couple other pairs that I have in the collection came in this box. Like I said, I gave my brother so many of my 12s that don't make any sense. I feel like they're a super durable shoe, and you can beat them up and they still look nice, you feel me? So here you have it. You got the Jumpman on top. You got that orange lining around the lid, man, as you can see. And like I said in my Cloud White review that you guys are probably gonna see right after this or before this, they put your name on the box when you win now. I've never had that happen to me, and I feel like, I don't know, I feel like it's a little better so nobody can like mistake and give somebody else your shoe. So I guess that's dope, man. They asked me for my ID today, so I was like, this is the first time this has ever happened. I guess they get more organized and stuff like that. So shout out to Foot Locker for that, man. So here you have it, Air Jordan 12 Retro, retail for $190. And the refresh colorway is black, game royal, and black. And of course, I got these things in size 9. I usually like going down to have a size in my 12s, but hey, I just went for the size 9. Foot Locker gave me that W, so I went ahead and copped these things. So here we have it. Let's go ahead and peel them open. My first time seeing them in hand, in person, is right now with you guys. So let's get into it. Here we have it. Of course, you got that brown tissue paper, and bam, there we have it. Air Jordan 12 Game Royals. And I'm glad I didn't even halfway think about not picking this pair up. And these are super dope in person, man. Dope fall shoe, and it's a dope shoe to have in the collection, man. We're gonna get right into this review over these things, man. Let's get it. Pull the other shoe out real quick. Let's get the box out the way, because the box is going straight to the garage, man. I gotta get some more drop fronts. I'll probably go get them today or tomorrow. Right here, as you can see, you have a nice textured leather, of course, the mud guard, whatever you want to call it. I know it's a lot of people that love 12s, know everything about 12s. I think this right here is called a mud guard. I just feel like it's a slap of leather, you feel me? I ain't too detailed in the materials and what part of the shoe is called what. I just like buying shoes, and I like showing you guys what I cop and reviewing them, doing on feet for you guys. So here you have it. You got that blue texture material right here on the mud guard. Right here, of course, you got the Jumpman on the side right here. This is like on all of your Air Jordan 12s. And right here on the lower midsole, you have like the same texture material right here going towards the lower midsole of the shoe. On the upper, of course, you have you got some nice leather. It's not nothing crazy, not nothing stupid, soft, super plush. It is a nice leather. It's a black shoe. It's a 12. Of course, it's gonna be durable. It's gonna be bulky. 12s have always been bulky to me, and you just gotta run with it, man. But it's a super dope silhouette. Got this all over black leather going around the whole shoe. Like I said, it's nothing crazy, man. And on the back, you have Jordan, and it says quality inspired by the greatest player ever, man. And you have the Jumpman pull tab right here on the back in that blue. Check it out. And you have the 2-3 on the back of the shoe as well, man. On the medial side or the inner side of the shoe, you have the same type of material you have over here, but on the inside of the shoe, very nice touch to it, man. That blue is really popping. It's very vibrant. I don't know what it is, but I don't know. This shoe is very dope to me, man. It's like the reverse of the flu games. Same material, same quality, I feel like. And towards the end of the video, I'm gonna pull them out just to show you guys, I guess, the differences. The only difference is, of course, this one is blue and that one is red. On the tongue, you have a blue Jumpman, and of course you have the 2-3 going down the tongue. You guys gonna see a better up close with that when I do the B-roll shots, man. For the laces out, you only get 1 pair of laces, and they're black. and it's like your traditional or guess or standard laces you get in your Air Jordan 12s, kind of thin rope laces, and on the inside you get shoe tree, and the insole is black, and you have a blue Jumpman in there, as you can see, man. You have that same outsole you get on all Air Jordan 12s, man. Kind of translucent, I would say, and you can kind of see that carbon fiber piping through the whole shoe. You have the black pod on the back of the shoe and on the top towards the toe box area, man. Check it out. And you can see that carbon fiber going all throughout the shoe. You can see you have the Jumpman right here on both of the kicks. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this review over these Game Royal 12s. All right, so here you have the Flu Games and you have the Game Royals. So I take that back about the same materials and stuff like that, because this one right here, as you can tell in the camera, this leather quality looks, I don't know, maybe because I wore these and I broke the leather in, but this leather quality looks way more soft, and the material on the mudguard or on the side panel right here, as you can see, is different. This one has kind of like, I don't know, like a slight nubuck to it or something like that. It's a weird feel. You can see like the brush strokes and stuff like that, but this one right here is strictly like leather. Like it's just leather, and there's nothing crazy, it's nothing soft. So I was wrong about that. It is definitely different materials on the side panels, man, and as well as on the inside of the shoes. Side by side, if I had to pick one, it would have to definitely be the Flu Games. This is one of my favorite shoes in the collection. It's gonna go down as one of the best Jordans to ever release, man. All right, so that's it for the review over these Air Jordan 12 Game Royals. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have not liked the video yet, make sure you like. The goal for every video is 200 likes. Let me know in the comment section below if you copped a pair of these 12s. I don't know how well they're doing and how they're selling out and stuff like that. I do know when I looked at the list and people was picking them up, there was a lot of checks next to those names. And like I said, in the PX, I took an L, woke up super late, went up there around like 10, they opened at 8, and all they had was like big sizes, like size 11, size 10.5, size 13s, and I was like, let me go ahead and go to North Star Mall and go ahead and pick my pair up for a little over the price that they selling them at the PX, because I used a military discount on these, and I was trying to use my coupons, but they was like, nah, you can't double dip here. So yeah, your boy had to spend that 170 bucks on these shoes. Appreciate everybody for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, ring notification bell for your boy, and we're gonna get right into this on feet, man. Let's get it.